Hi friends, welcome to my ride vlog video. In this video, I am riding from Coimbatore to Isha Yoga Centre, which is around 30 to 35 kilometers. The distance is around 35 kilometers, and it took me nearly 1.5 hours to reach the Isha Yoga Centre as the roads were completely busy and it was raining in between also. The day before this ride, I rode from Gadag to Coimbatore, which is around 700 to 780 kilometers overall, and I rode for straight 14 hours. So I rested for a day at Coimbatore, took a nice rest, and then the next day I left from Coimbatore to Isha Yoga Centre. My plan was to reach Isha Yoga Centre, and I have opted for a program, and I was staying there for a week. So on the next day, after having the nice rest, on the next day I left from Coimbatore and reached Isha Yoga Centre. I have already posted that 780 kilometers ride vlog video from Gadag to Coimbatore. You can find the link in the comment section. I left Coimbatore early at 6:30 am as the city was just waking up, but the roads were already alive. Even the mornings here don't believe in the silence. Sky had that soft grey tint, the kind that tells you something big is happening in Tamil Nadu today. Cyclone warnings were all over the news, and while Chennai and the coast were under heavy alerts, Coimbatore was thankfully on a yellow zone. But trust me, the weather definitely had a story to tell. The roads from Coimbatore towards Isha are surprisingly good. Smooth tarmac, long stretches, but the traffic, even at 6:30 am, Coimbatore knows how to stay busy. Autos, buses, office commuters, everyone was already on their mission. I had to wave through carefully, enjoying every moment on the ride. But once you leave the main city limits, the chaos slowly melts away and the ride becomes more peaceful. Halfway through the ride, the city slowly disappeared behind me, and suddenly the entire landscape turned into a lush green canvas. Those long stretches of greenery felt like nature had rolled out a fresh carpet just for this journey. The air changed, cooler, fresher, as if the forest were breathing with me. And then I saw it, the mighty Velliangiri Hills. Standing tall, wrapped in layers of soft fog, it looked like the mountains were wearing a white shawl. The fog drifted slowly across the slopes, revealing the peaks of moment and hiding them the next. It was one of the moments where you forget you're riding, you just keep looking at the hills, mesmerized. The closer I go to Isha, the greenery, everything became coconut farms, dense trees, fresh fields. It felt like entering a different world. The drizzle, the chill in the air, the fog around Velliangiri, it all came together like a perfect cinematic moment. If nature even wanted to show off, this was definitely one of those days. My Yezdi Roadster was in its element today. The engine stayed buttery smooth even with the drizzle. Wet roads, scattered potholes, sudden traffic breaks, the Roadster handled everything with confidence. There is a unique comfort in knowing your machine is reliable, especially when the weather is uncertain. My SD didn't just take me to Isha, it became a partner in the journey. Every twist of the throttle felt grounded, stable, and controlled exactly what you need when clouds above you are deciding whether to pour or not. After riding continuously for 1.5 hours in the rain, I reached Isha Yoga Centre. I'll be staying here for 4 days, so I'll be parking this Yezdi Roadster here for 4 days, and I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you feel the video is interesting, please do like and please do mention your comments. Thank you. I came for inner engineering program. Okay.
You are cottage person.
Huh? No, inner engineering.
Okay. Go and park in first line.
Okay.
Take your luggages and go for the scanning.
Okay.
After that, exit. The
There.
man standing.
Okay.
Go there.
Okay, thank you.